Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I wish you were very well. At this time, I will give you my knowledge about the countings. Counting knowledge. Know more about the countings of all. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Wan Gunawan. You can call me Wawan. 5 semester accounting computerized in Master. Following are the 9 points I will explain. Accounting definitions, accounting history in Indonesia, accountants, code of ethics, type of accountants, process in accounting purpose, various field of accounting, mandatory skill that must be. What do you think about accounting? Accounting is the art of recording, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting data relating to financial transactions in a business or a company. For practitioners in this field, it is called an accountant. Accounting itself has also been called the business language to measure the results of economic activity in an organization and convey these informations to various parties, including investor, creditor, management, and regulator. 1642, this history of accounting in Indonesia is said to have first appeared in the 16th and 42 century and was applied, at which time traditional society was familiar with financial recording, including profit and loss calculations. Its ability was brought by traders from abroad who were selling their wares in Indonesia, the country that are considered the to have introduced the concept of accounting for the first time in Indonesia are the Netherlands, Portugal, and Spain. It is said that this country got this knowledge from Rome in the 5th century. From the historical evidence found, it turned out that accounting was first used in Indonesia. However, this theory is still only partially influenced. In fact, this is considered that the accounting theory we use is not complete and clear. 1870, it was only in 1870 that bookkeeping begins to be done more seriously after the government regulation of forced cultivation was abolished. When this regulation was abolished, many foreign investors, especially the Dutch, invest in Indonesia. No, Netherlands invest in Indonesia. Therefore, for the sake of financial order, accounting theory begins to be used in Indonesia. Since accounting theory begins to develop in Indonesia. Even in 1952, the college started teaching it to students. At the time, this was still on supervising university named the University of Indonesia. On October 17, 1957, the Indonesian Accounting Association, or EAE, was officially established at the University of Indonesia, held to accommodate and guide the development of accountings and in enhance the quality of accounting educations. Even so, in each developments, many other universities have also mastered accounting disciplines. Both the public and private university has status. What do you think about accountants? That is accountant's monologue description that describe an accountant as following. Every day, I perform various accountancy services for many business establishments, private institutions, or government departments. I do a lot of different things in filing and bookkeeping system. I conduct financial investigation in matters such as suspect fraud, royalty payment, dispute, insolvency, and bankruptcy. I also analyze cost record relating to raw material purchase, labor machinery depreciation, and overhead charged to certain costs of product and service. About taxation, I prepare or review tax return and contest claim before tax official. I prepare and certifies financial statements for percentage executive, board of direction, stockholder, and statutory public bodies. And advice on financial problem on management accountancy administrations and organization. I assist in formulating budget, policy and procedure, and I also audit bookkeeping account and records. Accountant Code of Ethics. Professional responsibility always use moral and professional considerations in all activities carried out. In the public's interest, all action must be within the frameworks of public service, public trust, and show a commitment to professionalism, integrity in order to maintain and interest public trust must fulfill their professional responsibility with high integrity. Objectivity, all calculation and processing activity must maintain objectivity, neutrality, and are not influenced by certain interests. Confident and prudence. Confident, confidentiality and safeguarding the informations obtained during a calculation and processing. Technical standard performing service in accordance with applicable technical standard and professional standards. Process in accountings, recordings, summarize, reporting, and live recording. Using a system that will assist you in managing financial records. Track financial transaction in detail. Combine report to present as a set at the end or financial statements. Summarize. Raw data is generally the result of record transactions. However, this raw data is not very important to the organizations. Raw data has no meaning in the decision-making process. Reporting. The value to the company are the sole responsibility of management. The business owner must know about the various operations that take place within the company and how the company uses their money. Analyze. Analyze. In the end, analyzing is the end of every process that you have done. After recording and summary, it is very important to draw conclusion in a business. Management is responsible for taking positive and negative points. Mandatory skill that must be honest be to raw. With a careful person can do something well that correctly. Accuracy is one of the factors for a person to avoid miscalculation and records. Next, systematic thinking. Systematic thinking allows someone to completely calculate financial schemes in an order and other manners. A systematic mindset will make it easier to complete complex corporate, corporate financial calculation that involve many transactions. Next, calculates because is it is directly related to money and number. Of course, it is an obligation to calculate it smoothly. Even someone who is accustomed to calculating will get used to the perform calculations automatic, automatic, automatically by heart, and calculation will lead to the target of the resulting expense for business improvement. Conclusion. From the above explanations, we can conclude that accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and reporting financial economic information. It is useful for assessing and making decisions for those who need it. Okay, thank you for following me, and thank you very much. Thank you for attention and thank you for the times. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.